Hi, my name is Nurzati Akhtar.
Hi, my name is Nur Aina Safia.
Hi, my name is Nur Aisha Umaira.
Hi, my name is Mesafiza Balkis.
Hi, my name is Fatiha Harisha.
Hi, my name is Nur Ain Zulaika.
Cold pressed soap is made without heat, preserving nutrients like vitamin E and antioxidants from natural oils. This helps maintain skin hydration, supports barrier repair, and offers gentle cleansing, perfect for those who prefer natural, chemical-free skincare. Cold pressed soap quality depends on its process and ingredients. Without lab testing, it may not be safe or effective for daily use.
For the weighing method, we use an analytical balance to ensure consistent soap mass per product. First, the balance was calibrated using a standard calibration weight. Then, the weighing board was placed on the balance band. The zero button on the balance was pressed to remove the container weight. Using thin glove, the cut soap sample was placed on the weighing board. Lastly, a stable reading was waited for and the weight was recorded.
To precisely prepare the solution, distilled water was first carefully poured into the centrifuge tube. This initial volume was then carefully adjusted with more distilled water added until the liquid level reached the intended measurement mark. After this essential volume adjustment, the soap was added to the tube. To ensure a uniform mixture, the tube was then recapped and subsequently subjected to vigorous and sustained shaking until the soap was observed to be completely dissolved within the distilled water.
For the pH test, the soap was first dissolved in distilled water to create a solution. Then, the probe of a digital pH meter was inserted into the mixture. The pH reading was observed and recorded. This test is done to check if the soap is too acidic or too alkaline, which is important to ensure it's safe and gentle.
To thoroughly test the soap's effectiveness, a gloved hand acting as a simulation of bare skin was first completely rinsed under running sink water. Subsequently, the liquid soap was carefully applied onto the wearer's glove surface. The soap was then slowly worked into every part of the glove, ensuring complete coverage. Following this detailed washing process, the hand was thoroughly rinsed until all soap residue was removed. And then gently pat dry with a towel.
Biological test using nutrient agar to detect microbial contamination. Firstly, a sterile cotton swab was used to rub the surface of the cold-pressed soap gently. Second, the swab was scratched across the agar plate in a grass pattern. Then, the plate was incubated at 37 Celsius for 24 hours. The growth was observed.
Based on the result, without a cold press, no colony was present on the agar plate. Meanwhile, with cold press, it has one colony were present on the agar plate.
Cold press soap showed low-level bacterial contamination, likely from handling. Safety isn't guaranteed without identifying the bacteria. Unexpectedly, hands washed with the soap had more microbes than those washed with plain water. Inconsistent sampling may have affected the results. Standardized techniques, strict hygiene, proper curing, and quality control are essential in cold press soap production.
All in all, cold pressed soap showed slight bacterial contamination, likely from production or storage issues. More bacteria were found on hands washed with the soap than with plain water, possibly due to sampling differences. This highlights the need for consistent methods and good hygiene to ensure soap safety.